If you've seen the service battery charging system warning pop up on your Chevy dashboard, you're probably wondering what's going on and how much it's going to cost you. Don't panic just yet. This warning usually points to one of 4 common issues, and we're going to walk through each one, so you know exactly what to check. Whether you're driving a Chevy Silverado, Malibu, Equinox, Traverse, Tahoe, or Cruze, this warning means the same thing. Your vehicle's computer has detected a problem with how your battery is being charged. The good news? Most of these fixes are pretty straightforward once you know what you're dealing with. Let's jump to the leading causes. The number 1 culprit is actually the simplest. Your battery might just be old. If your battery is anywhere between 4 to 5 years old, there's a really good chance it's reached the end of its lifespan. Batteries don't last forever, and when they start to fail, your Chevy's computer picks up on it immediately. Before you spend money on anything else, get your battery tested at any auto parts store. They'll do it for free, and it takes about 5 minutes. If the battery's bad, replacing it will clear that warning right up. Now, if your battery tests fine, the next thing to check is the battery sensor. This is a small electronic component that's usually attached directly to the negative battery terminal. It monitors the battery's voltage and current, sending that information to your car's computer. When this sensor goes bad, it sends incorrect readings, and your dashboard lights up with warnings even though everything else might be working perfectly. The technical name is the battery current sensor, and it's a relatively inexpensive part. Replacing it is something most people can do themselves with basic tools. The third possibility is your alternator. This is the component that actually charges your battery while you're driving. A failing alternator won't keep your battery charged, and eventually you'll end up stranded. You can test your alternator pretty easily. With the engine running, check your battery voltage with a multimeter. It should read somewhere between 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If it's lower than that, your alternator isn't doing its job. Alternators do fail over time, especially on higher mileage Chevy vehicles, so this is definitely something to consider. Lastly, don't overlook something super simple: corroded or loose battery cables. If your battery terminals are covered in that white or blue-green crusty buildup, it's preventing proper electrical connection. Same goes if the cables are loose. This can trigger the charging system warning because the computer isn't getting accurate readings. Pop your hood and take a look. If you see corrosion, clean it off with a wire brush and some baking soda mixed with water. Make sure both cables are tight on the terminals. You'd be surprised how often this simple fix solves the problem. So, here's your game plan. Start with the easiest stuff first. Check your battery age and get it tested. Inspect your battery cables for corrosion or looseness. Then check that battery sensor on the negative terminal. And if none of that solves it, have your alternator tested. Most auto parts stores will test both your battery and alternator for free. So take advantage of that before spending money on parts you might not need. While at it, please check the serpentine belt because a worn one can cause this problem. That's it. 4 common causes, straightforward fixes. Check the battery, check the sensor, check the alternator, and don't forget those cables. You've got this. That's it. 4 common causes, straightforward fixes for your Chevy. Check the battery, check the sensor, check the alternator, and don't forget those cables. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.